Find the volume of a parallel pipe with side. They have the three sides are there. Whenever under vectors you had for you to calculate, or they ask you to calculate the volume of a parallel pipe, please, that's the formula you're going to use, and that is it. So first you have to get the cross product of the two vectors. The answer from the cross product of the two vectors, use it to multiply to get the dot product with C. And so that means whenever there is a dot product, your answer, you should know that your answer must end up with being a what? A scalar. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is A cross B. So A cross B. And that should take you to matrix immediately. So this is I, this is J, and this is K. Now, the coefficient of I under A is what? 3. The coefficient of Z is -1. Right? Whenever you are trying to take the coefficient, please, all the sign at the front of here, at the back of it, make sure you collect it. Here is +3, so I didn't bother to write +3. But here is -j, so that means the quotient is -1. They do not give us k, but we need k. It means that your k is 0. Now come to B. We do not have I, we only have j plus 2k. That means your I is what? 0. The quotient of j is 1. And the quotient of k is 2. And then all you need to do right now is to solve it using the matrix method, and your answer will flow naturally. And so I've been doing it since. The same thing, you put it all throughout this side. You do as if you're not seeing here. You close this side, all you'll be seeing is this value. And so this is I into brackets -1, 0, 1, and 2. Remember, here is you start with plus, minus, and plus. The next one is -j. Close everything that is at the down part of j and the two opposite sides. So if you close it, what we'll be seeing is 3, 0, and 0, 2. So this is 3, 0, and 0, 2. And then this is plus k. The same thing, close here. Close everything at the front and the back of k. You are seeing this. And so you are seeing 3, -1, 0, and 1. If you are having issue on how to solve cross product, please endeavor to check my channel. The detailed explanation is there. And so all you need to do is multiply this by this, and you minus this by this. So this is I. This time this will give you -2, -0, -j. This time is 6 -0 plus k. This time this should give you 3 minus plus 1. Oh, this is 0. This is 0. So -0. And so this will give you -2i. I'm trying to be fast because we have a detailed video on. I'm not trying to teach cross products here. So this is -2i minus 6j plus 3k. Right? Now this is the answer to A cross B. Now if you get that to be the answer to A cross B, all you need to do right now is to get the dot product. Remember the formula. So A cross B dot C. So I want to times those two things together, right? And so this is 2i minus 2i minus 6j plus 3k, right? And then the next one is your C. Your C, which is I plus 5j plus 4k, right? So this time this should give you -2. This time this should give you -30. This time this should give you +12. And if you calculate it very well, you should get -20. Now, -20 is not the answer. Remember that from the formula, you first get A cross B, and then the answer you get as A cross B, you now times it with C, meaning the A cross B dot C. Now, do not forget this sign. This is what? Magnitude. And whenever we put it in magnitude, plus will change to what? Minus, and minus will change to what? Plus. And so your answer is 20 units. Please Do not be confused. Remember the magnitude. The magnitude. All the answer must be in magnitude. Thank you very much. That is all for this video.